Hello everyone. So we are doing studying ray optics. So now let us go through the laws of reflections. You already know this is the first lecture on this chapter. So we'll just start with the laws of reflection. So the two laws are the incident ray, the reflected ray, the normal to the surface of the mirror all lie on the same plane, and the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Both angles are measured with respect to the normal to the mirror. Let's see this, try to understand this one at a time. So the first, we'll try to understand about the second one. What does it say? The angle of refraction is equal to the angle of incidence. Let's see. Consider a reflecting surface. This is a reflecting surface. I will draw normal, and this is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. So according to the second law, whichever you want, you can call it as the first law or second law. There is no hard and soul, but these has to be first, that has to be second. According to the one which I have written here, the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. Or according to the second law, means that this angle which is measured from the normal, that is angle I, and this is the angle of reflection, this is R, these two are equal. So we always going to measure this angle from the normal and not from this region, remember that. So angle I equals to angle R. This is law of. What about the first one now? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface of the mirror all lie in the same plane. So let's see what does this mean. You have to understand this. We're going to visualize one picture here. Imagine that there's a mirror lying on this line. I will. This is the mirror. Okay. Now let me take again draw the normal now. The normal will be somewhere here. So if you look closely, this one is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the z-axis. So this one, these two rays, that is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal, all are lying on the xy plane. This is the meaning of the first one, that is this one, that all the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface of the mirror all lie on the same plane. This means that. So you can see here is our incident ray, reflected ray, and this one is the normal. All of them are lying on the same plane. That's it, nothing much else to explain in this thing. Gradually we will see more other topic related to this chapter. Also, one more thing you must notice here, that in this picture, in the figure 2, if you're trying to look from here, you're going to see 3 lines. Imagine to see 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. If you're looking from down, there also you're going to see 3 lines. However, if you try to see from this side or from the left side, you will see you're going to see only one line, because all of this will get projected to here. If you look, this thing will get projected to, and you're going to see this. I'll show you with a separate color. So show you the green one. You'll see this line as one single line, because all of them are seeing the projection will be seen as one straight line. And similarly, if you're looking from this side, from the right hand side, there also you are going to see only a straight line. That means these 3 lines, they're always placed over a plane. That's it. There's nothing much into this one. We will see more onto this later. Thank you.